Hello and welcome to the final part of the contest logger, the N1MM. So we've done the contest now and we want to export our logbook into a Cabrillo file and be able to upload it to the RSGB website. Well, first and foremost, contest finished, and here we have here at the top there we have our logs. I scored 90. So what we do then is it's quite simple. You go to File, Generate Cabrillo file. It's going to say Exchange, blah blah blah. Just ignore that. Okay, and single operator. Single operator, one transmitter, all band, mixed mode, power, fixed station. Put yes. And it's going to ask you where to save it. Okay, and it'll save it as your call sign and .log. You've done it correctly. I just normally save it on the desktop, or you can save it to a file or a directory or something. So I'll just call it. I've already got one in there, my one that I've done, but I'm just going to give this another name for now, just for the demonstration. So you've done it. It says, do you want to edit it? Yes, you do want to edit it. You want to check it. So what we're going to do is that we're going to edit this thing. It's going to load up in my editor. It will do in a minute. Right, so it loads up in the editor, and this is what we're going to just check. So we're going to check that. Just close it off. We're just going to check that it's the. Let me just make this smaller so we can get it in the middle of the screen for you. Some of you need to see it a bit bigger, so I'm going to put it real big for you. There we are. Right, so we're saying that it's a DX station, your call sign, your club, Humber Fortress HFDXARC, what contest it's been, you're a single operator, you're assisted. What that means, it means that if you've got the cluster running, basically, you can put all bands, but no, it's going to be 80 meter, and category mode is going to be SSB, put in capitals, so SSB. Doesn't really matter because you can do it online anyway. Fixed transmitter, claim score, and this should be automatically filled in from when we set the program up with your name and address and everything. So that's fine. So I'll save that. I've edited that. And then all we do now is we just go to the RSGB website. So basically what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to put in Google, I'm just going to put RSGB 80 meter CC, and it'll know what it is, and it comes up and it's saying here that the RSGB contest. So we're going to click on it, and you see when you get on this page, you've got HF log upload. You're just going to hit that. You can view submitted logs if you want and see what contest, what's already been done, or it will go back. So submit log, so you've hit HF log upload, log submission. You're going to choose your contest, which is 80 meter CC. Okay, going to give you what it is, going to give you the date. You're going to choose the section, which for me is 100 watts. Some people may run 10 watts, so 100 watt section, and then the club. That's important. And once you've done it once, it'll be at the top, but if it isn't, you can go down and look for the Humber Fortress DXARC. You then press next, and it's telling we've got 2 hours left to think. You have about 24 hours, I think, to submit your log, so it's important when you finish the contest to do it either straight away or make sure you do it, the next day. We've got like 2 hours left here. So you've got to load, browse, and where we've put that file, I'm going to do that one. It wants my email address. I'm just going to put G7L. Just follow the instructions on the screen. Next. And what it's doing, it's telling you how many the log, and these are important fits that you need to fill in here. So you need to know the section, which is 100 watt section, your call sign, how many QSAs and claim points, 1990. Wants to know, this won't be filled in. The second time you do it, it will be filled in, because I've been on before, it's filled in. But you must fill this in the format, and everyone that's got a star on it needs something in there. So all the ones with a star against, the asterisk, sorry, the red boxes must be filled in, your name and address, okay? Then you just click, and you press submit. Well, I can't do this, but it will put you onto another, because I've already submitted the log. So it will put you onto another page, and basically what you're going to get a thing called a UBN number, and it'll give you a passcode. Make sure that you save that passcode. Let's just get mine up again. So I think I've saved mine at the bottom here. I actually attached it to my log file after I'd submitted it. So basically, you're adjudicated for your UBN contest emailed to you with the results, and you get this this access code, which is there. Look, mine. Carries return that and go right. So your passcode, it'll give you a code. That code is unique for you. And what it is, if you need to adjudicate, or they give you, sometimes let you just alter your log if you've got like a simple error, but you must log in with that. You use your email. I do believe you use your email to address in. It says there. Look, you log in with your email and your passcode to access all you'll be in the contest here. So basically, that's it in a nutshell. So let's just run through it once more real quickly. So after the contest and you're finished, before you shut the program down, you just go to export Cabrillo file. Okay, yes. It's going to ask you where you want to save it. Normally save it on your desktop or somewhere where you know where it is. Don't just press save, because you won't have a clue where you've saved it. Okay, unless you know how to use a computer. So always put it to somewhere you know where you saved it, even your documents or your desktop or somewhere, or even a pen drive. You've got a pen drive, or make another directory called RSGB CC logs or something. Okay, it's going to save it as your callsign.log. Normally what you can do, if you're going to make a directory and save them all, it is wise to save all your logs really, because it just is. While the contest is running, remember this is going to run for like 6 months. So you can just put the date in there. So that last one was the 7th, so you just put the 7th, or we could do it like 7/2 22, something like that. Yeah, don't put spaces, put like hyphens or something. .log, save it, and then it asks you to edit it, and you can edit it, and like I showed you, then go to the RSGB website, like I said. So we'll go through that real quickly again. RSGB CC. I'm just going to put that in. It should come up, I think. I do believe. Yeah, RSGB CC. And we're going to go to upload HF log upload. It's going to ask you to choose the contest, which is the 8-meter CC. If you've done the data one, it'd be data. If you're doing the CW, it'd be CW. It's quite explanatory. So it's CC. Ask you what section, 100 watt or 10 watt section, the radio club. Next, then you go to browse your file, select your file, put your email address in, press next, follow the instructions, press submit at the bottom, and that's it in a nutshell. Very easy. Any questions, as always, you can email me or get me on WhatsApp or whatever, or just speak to me at the club. Hope you found the video interesting. Before I go, I did notice one thing with Bob today. We had a bit of problems. It was my fault. I said he didn't have to do the radio attuned to the pro. You must have the radio working the remote, the log, to log the frequency. In the contest, part of the exchange is the frequency that you're on, as well as the exchange number. So messed up a bit on Bob's, but we sorted it in the end. Or sort of sorted it. So hopefully everything will be all right. Okay, as I said, any questions, just hit me up and we'll sort you out. G7LRR